Hello everyone, I am Akash Havade. Today date is 31 January 2022 and today topic is a concept, OOPS concept. So what is OOPS? OOPS is a object oriented programming system. OOPS concept is basically works on the principle of abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance and encapsulations. Object means to it allows user to create objects they want and create methods to manipulate the objects. Objects user it allows the object to reuse the code and process the data. In OOPS concept is widely used in Java. In OOPS concept consists class, objects, encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction, etc. So starts with a class. So what is a class? Class is a class is a collection of objects, and class contains multiple entities of a similar type. That is if you want to buying a car, its car has a multiple company, that is a Toyota, Mercedes, Hyundai. It is next is a object. So object is a instance of a class, and Java is a purely object oriented programming language. So everything is in a Java is a object. Everything is in an object. Object is using both the function and data to doing the operation. So next topic is encapsulation. Encapsulation it is the most important concept in OOPS and Java, also Java. Encapsulation means binding data into a single entity. That is a class. So in a in Java class, it provides both the properties and operations. Means variables provides properties and methods provide the operations. Suppose for example, uh, my class, there is a class has a my class, and in this variables are a, b, and methods are m1, m2. So all the variables and methods at binding at a one entity, that is a class, that is a my class. So next is a inheritance. Inheritance means using a existing class functionality to the newer class, to that is create the new class using existing class functionality. In this inheritance, existing class is called as a superclass, base class, or parent class, and newer one class which is created is called the child class, subclass, or a derived class. Suppose if a student class, and student has a age, locations, or attributes, but nowadays we want to add vaccinations, then what to do? Then simply first option is modify the class, second is extend the class. So first option in Java is we cannot modify the existing class because of unit testing is done for both the existing class. So second option is most preferable, that is we can extend the existing class using subclass to testing unit testing is done for the only second class. If you give the reference to the subclass reference to superclass, then it is called a dynamic dispatch. We cannot use superclass to subclass relationship, subclass subclass to superclass relationship. In Java, multiple inheritance is not allowed. So we see the types of inheritance. In types of inheritance, there is the five types: simple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and multiple inheritance. So start with the single inheritance, that is the simple inheritance. In simple inheritance, there is only one superclass and one base class, that is a parent-child class relationship. In a multi-level inheritance, one has a superclass, then it has a one subclass, and also it has a one subclass, that is a multi-level in levels. Suppose A is a superclass and it is extended by B class, and B is extended by C, that is a multi-level. Multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance means it can be super classes inherited by one subclass. That is not allowed in Java, because if we using methods, then both classes have same methods, then it is a method handling problem. That's why Java not support the multiple inheritance. So next is the hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, one superclass and multiple subclasses. That is a one. Suppose example, A is a superclass and it has a multiple subclass, that is a B, C, D. Next is a hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is not allowed in a Java, because it is a combination of multiple inheritance and simple inheritance. So next topic is abstractions. Abstractions means hiding the internal details and showing existing class functionality, that is showing important things only. In abstraction, there are two types: abstract class and interface. So let's discuss interface. Interface is a one of the special class, that is a I2C design. Means interface can be implemented by every class. In interface, there is no constructor. Interface supports multiple inheritance. In case of a class, not support the multiple inheritance, but in case of a interface, support the multiple interface. Interface can be used the abstract methods. That is, abstract method doesn't have a body. Next is the abstract class. Abstract class is similar to the simple class, but with extra features. In abstract class, abstract methods. So if you want to not override or implement method by other, then make simple method as an abstract. Next one is the polymorphism. Polymorphism means one entity behaves differently in different cases. That is, for example, switch on off button. Switch off on button means it works two type of, that is a on or off, on or off. In polymorphism, it occurs at a runtime and compile time. For compile time. So method overloading is called as a compile time polymorphism, and method overriding is called as a runtime polymorphism. That's all about concept of Java. OOPS concept in Java. Thank you.